Homeowners in Gaithersburg, D.C., often find themselves wondering if the investment in window replacement is truly worth it. Whether your windows are outdated, damaged, or simply not performing as they should, replacing them can offer a wide range of benefits. From improving your home's energy efficiency to enhancing its curb appeal, new windows can be a valuable addition to any property. Here's why window replacement in Gaithersburg, D.C., is worth every penny. Energy efficiency and cost savings. One of the most significant advantages of replacing old windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, particularly those with single panes or worn-out seals, allow drafts to enter your home, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This can lead to higher heating and cooling costs as your HVAC system works overtime to compensate for the energy loss. Modern replacement windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Double or triple glazed windows, for example, provide better insulation, keeping heat inside during the winter and outside during the summer. This can significantly reduce your energy bills, making the initial investment worthwhile in the long run. Additionally, energy-efficient windows are often eligible for tax credits or rebates, further offsetting the cost of replacement. Enhanced comfort. When you have drafty or poorly insulated windows, you're more likely to experience cold spots or hot areas in your home. This can create an uncomfortable living environment, especially during extreme weather conditions. Window replacement can eliminate these issues, making your home more comfortable year-round. With modern, energy-efficient windows, you can maintain a consistent indoor temperature without relying as much on your thermostat. This results in a more comfortable living space for you and your family while also reducing strain on your HVAC system. Increased home value. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to increase its market value, window replacement is a wise investment. Potential buyers often look at windows as a key factor when evaluating a home, and outdated or damaged windows can be a major turn-off. On the other hand, newly installed windows can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, making it more attractive to prospective buyers. Replacing your windows can also make your home stand out in the competitive Gaithersburg real estate market. Buyers are more likely to be willing to pay a premium for a home that boasts modern, energy-efficient windows that require less maintenance and offer superior comfort. Improved curb appeal. Your windows play a significant role in the overall appearance of your home. Old, worn-out windows can detract from your property's curb appeal, making it look dated and less inviting. By investing in window replacement, you can instantly boost the aesthetic appeal of your home. New windows come in various styles, materials, and colors, allowing you to choose an option that complements your home's architectural design. Whether you're updating the windows to enhance the overall look of your house or simply to match a new paint color or exterior update, replacing your windows can give your home a fresh, modern look that increases its curb appeal. Better noise insulation. Gaithersburg, like many areas in the DC metro, can be a bit noisy, especially in neighborhoods near busy roads or commercial areas. If outside noise is a constant issue, replacing your windows can help. High-quality, insulated windows block noise more effectively than older windows, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment. This is especially beneficial for families with young children, shift workers, or anyone who values a serene home atmosphere. Low maintenance and durability. New windows are designed to be low maintenance and highly durable. Many modern windows come with features like vinyl frames, which require minimal upkeep compared to wood frames that need regular painting or sealing. Additionally, newer windows are often designed to resist fading, cracking, and other wear and tear, meaning they will continue to look great for years to come. Replacing old, high-maintenance windows with durable, low-maintenance alternatives gives homeowners the peace of mind that their windows will last longer and require less attention, allowing them to focus on other aspects of homeownership. Environmentally friendly, energy-efficient windows don't just benefit your wallet, they also contribute to a more sustainable future. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you're decreasing your carbon footprint and helping the environment. Opting for energy-efficient windows is a small but impactful step toward a greener, more eco-friendly lifestyle. Conclusion: window replacement in Gaithersburg, D.C., is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. From lower energy bills to increased home value, improved comfort, and enhanced curb appeal, new windows can transform your home both functionally and aesthetically. Whether you're interested in reducing your environmental impact, upgrading your home's style, or simply improving your living conditions, window replacement is a wise choice. The long-term benefits far outweigh the initial cost, making it a smart investment for any homeowner.